We'll be working on Unit 2, Lesson 1, and we have various learning targets to meet. Our learning targets are segmenting and blending syllables, making the cup shape with Play-Doh on paper. Isn't that lovely? So let's get started with syllable blending. But what is a syllable? A syllable is a bit or word is composed of whenever you say it. Today in this class, we'll be using our palms to learn more about syllables. So first of all, I want you to bring out your two fists and place them in front of you. Say word 1 as you flip over your left fist and open it. Say word 2 as you flip over your right fist and open it. Say the word blend as you clap your hands. So let's get started as we practice syllable blending with words. The word cupcake has two sound parts. Let's segment and blend these parts with our hand gestures. Are you ready? Well, I am. Now, place your two fists in front of you, facing down. Cupcake has two sound parts. On the first sound part, open your left fist and say cup. On the second sound part, open your right fist and say cake. Now, let's clap and say the words. Cup, cake. Cup, cake. Beautiful. Let's practice this with more words. Just like we did before, bring out your two fists and place them in front of you. On the first sound part, open your left fist and say snow. On the second sound part, open your right fist and say man. Now, let's clap as we say the words. Snow man. Snow man. Good job. Let's move over. Bringing your two fists right in front of you. On the left fist, open up and say the word see. On the right fist, open up and say the word shell. Now let's clap as we say the words. See shell. See shell. Beautiful. I hope your fists are in front of you as we say the next word. Popcorn. Now bring out your two fists and place them right in front of you again. On the left fist, open up and say the word pop. On the right fist, open up and say the word corn. Now let's clap and say the words. Popcorn. Popcorn. Popcorn has two syllables too. The next word here is rainbow. Can you say that? Say rainbow. Now let's clap to know the number of syllables. Rainbow. Rainbow. Good job. Rainbow also has two syllables. Let's move over to the next word. Outside. Outside. How many syllables do you think outside have? Let's clap. Outside. Outside. Great. Outside also has two syllables. Now kids, it's time to move over to another segment. Tap and chase. I'm going to say some words. You will tell me how many syllables these words have. Sunshine. Doll house. Doorbell. Bedtime. Playground. Sandbox. Backpack. Meatball. Moonlight. Pancake. Sailboat. Wheelchair. I hope you listen carefully. How many syllables do you think each of the words have? Correct! They have two syllables each. Now, Mom and Dad is going to give each of you a Play-Doh. I will show you how to make a line with Play-Doh. Let's practice forming a Play-Doh line into a cup. Point to the top of your chart paper. Point to the left of your chart paper. Point to the middle of your chart paper. Trace imaginary cups on your decks and in the air. Then we will draw cups on paper. It's time to meet our worksheets. The worksheet we are about to work on shows some children jumping rope. You are going to draw a jump rope for each child. Now, let's get our materials ready. Get your Unit 2 Core Language Skills workbook and turn over to Lesson 1.1. On these pages, you are asked to draw the jump rope for each child. On Lesson 1.2, you are asked to name and point the object in each row from left to right. Now, let's take a look at the take-home activity. The take-home activity is on Lesson 1.3. You are asked to trace the dotted lines to complete the hand gloves. Hooray kids! I'm very excited. We are able to meet our learning targets. It's quiz time. Attempt your quiz now. I'll see you in the next class. Bye!